Susanna Reid has spoken out to defend the morons who flocked to Britain's outdoor beauty spots last weekend amid the coronavirus outbreak. Last Friday, Prime Minister Boris Johnson ordered the country's pubs, clubs and bars to close as the COVID-19 crisis worsened. He advocated social distancing and told Brits to avoid gathering in groups. However, many were shocked to see many parks and beaches packed with sun-seekers in the following days. Susanna, 49, has been isolating at home with her sons after one of them developed symptoms, and she's now insisted she empathizes with all those who headed outdoors to get some fresh air. In her column for the Daily Mail, she explained, "Don't condemn the crowds enjoying warm weather in parks last weekend, either. No, they're not morons, they were trying to follow frankly confusing advice about getting some exercise. In a way it's relief to have an end to the confusion over how much we are allowed to go out." She added that she will never take her freedom for granted again, especially since the government strengthened its advice and urged Brits to stay at home unless they need to go out for 4 key reasons. She added, "We'll never again take for granted being able to walk around my local common. And while we all know the restrictions are necessary, feel the despair of parents of small children who don't have access to outside space and now can't even go to the playground. So, rather than castigating and demonizing individuals who are simply trying to cope, I'm focusing on the bright side, and, yes, there really is one." She went on to share her joy over a group of parents in her area who are raising money to deliver free meals for staff at their local hospital. Susanna's GMB co-star Piers Morgan blasted Brits who had ventured outdoors last weekend, calling them morons in fiery rant on the show this week. He said, "What is wrong with people? Why would you want to be one of these morons? Seriously. Do you not understand what is happening in this country? Do you not understand how serious it is? When have you ever had to have been asked to do this stuff before? Answer: never in your lifetimes, for almost everybody. Nobody needs to go to marketplace. Nobody needs to go to some tourist place. Nobody needs to go in groups and hang around drinking wine in parks. Yes, they're all morons. Yes, they're risking their lives and everybody else's lives. Yes, they're ignorant. They don't understand. They don't get it." Bosses at the National Trust later opted to close all their parks in bid to force Brits to follow government advice and keep apart.